I am Ahmedabad.
Yeah, you from Ahmedabad, right? Yeah.
Yes.
About your profession, sir.
I and a friend sent me the link,
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
and I thought let me join and see
Oh,
what is happening.
oh, great, sir. Great, sir. Great, sir. Definitely, sir. Um, so what about what is your profession, sir? Actually, what is your profession?
See, my profession is I am a coach.
Okay.
Yes, I coach people to improve their performance.
Oh, great, sir. Great, great. Yeah. So about what are the what type of services, what kind of services can you provide from your service render?
See, the type of services that I offer are helping people improve their performance,
Yeah.
irrespective of the field that they are in.
Oh, great.
So I coach businessmen to improve performance,
Yeah.
and I work with actors, models, singers to improve performance,
Oh, great, great. Yeah.
and I work with a lot of sportsmen to improve performance.
Oh, what a wonder. I think you have journey with us, a complete hybrid discipline, hybrid multi-discipline, multi-skills, right?
Yeah, see, my way of working is very simple.
Yeah.
People, I mean, it's 11 years I have been coaching people
Oh,
to improve performance. Like in 11 years, I have not yet any even a single person who
yeah,
tells me. I mean, everyone wants to improve results that they get in life or business, whatever you call it,
yeah.
right? But I am not yet. I have not yet come across someone who tells me that my focus is improving my performance.
Oh, good, sir.
Okay, everyone wants to improve results, and no one is focused on improving performance. My question is, how can your results improve if your performance does not improve?
Yeah.
So the focus has to be on improving performance, not on results.
Yes, exactly. The fantastic word, fantastic word. It was
So what?
completely
So
exactly.
that is the area I work in, because the results that improve, it matches your performance. It
Yeah,
has to
yeah.
match your performance,
Yes, sir.
right? So if your performance improves by 10%, your result improves by 10%. If
Oh,
your performance improves by 100%, your result improves by 100%. No need to think of results. Just think and focus on performance. Result is bound to happen.
yes, sir. Yes, exactly. Okay, fine. Sir, if you don't mind, can you send your service profile and what type of what kind of service you can provide to from our from side? Then we can provide. So also you join with us and also some you sharing your services and also so you negotiated with our company and also then in future then we will go for that both we sustainable relationship for long time. So from Andhra Pradesh and also other states also already we collaborated with us behalf of Buddha groups actually Buddha TV broadcast private limited company Buddha TV broadcast completely the public and commercial broadcasting and also we have
Yeah.
provided media schools like schools journalism and complete entire digitalization and mediatization and also the complete is the media professional
Okay.
skills and also management services also we can provide and also along with the consultancy also so training and placements also available from our Buddha group from Andhra Pradesh. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why. So we'll go for we are looking for like your caliber, like your dynamic leadership. Also, we are looking for good teachers from all over the world. So we inviting to respectively to them to our so business sharing and our service sharing, and also we are all together for develop something. So we are not only one person cannot success. So we all together for create something in this world.
Mm-hmm.
So that's we all
Okay.
together, yeah, we all together to get achieve something so better than today. So because of my idealism is different from your idealism, so that what we both are coordinate well, and planning is well, and also direction and leading, and supporting, and also staffing, and everything
Right.
is we all together like merger and acquisition more for the people, justice, and as well as corporate so needs we can satisfy it from our end of the session.
Okay.
So that's why soon we will meet. Soon we will meet together. Then first you, sir, you will send your profile menu. So if you don't mind, and then send to my WhatsApp. Okay. Do you have my WhatsApp, sir?
No, I don't have your WhatsApp.
Yeah. If you I text you here. Then first you will. This is my WhatsApp number. 939041 49390419498. This is my WhatsApp, sir. Then you will be contact complete. You will send your business profile, and also your personal profile, and also your service activities, and also what your pricing strategies, and also what exactly you are looking for the for and everything. Then you will be sent to my WhatsApp. Then according to will be negotiated personal window. Then will be discussed very clearly and concise and very objectively. Then by using subjectively, then go for practical approach. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm. That's fine. So, who is the founder of the Buddha TV?
Yes, I am founder of the Buddha TV.
Okay.
Yeah,
And your name, please?
my name is Satish Reddy.
Satish Reddy.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Actually, we
Just
are
a
looking
minute,
for
I'll just see
actually,
my
yeah. Actually, we are next to we'll go for satellite, especially. Then we have to plan for completely. This is the plan for complete like BBC. You know BBC.
Okay.
You know BBC British Broadcast
Yeah.
Corporation.
And- Yeah, I know.
Yeah, like that. The remaining TVs, top 10 TVs in India. Then let me show the top 10 TVs in India. So completely
Hmm.
commercial TV channels.
Okay.
But apart from the
That's
BBC,
fine.
yeah, yet BBC is completely public broadcasting. The service is different from normal TV channels.
Okay.
Say example, you if you see one video from YouTube, then YouTube
Hmm.
BBC video content is different from. So say example, Republic TV or Top India Today or NDTV news is different
Right.
because of the BBC focus on Indian diversity, Indian culture, Indian inclusion.
Okay.
That is the service quality is very perfect, 100% genuine, with based on investigation and research and development. After that, they can release any content into the public.
Right.
But other TV channels complete failure against to the BBC because of other TV channels is all the TV channels under part politicians.
Right.
Yeah, because of the politician, actually what Indian constitution said. So the media is the fourth estate of our Indian constitution. So say example, there are what are the fourth estates of India? There are administrative, executive, and judicial. And fourth point is the fourth estate of media as the fourth estate of our Indian constitution.
Right.
Yes, the what is the meaning of
Hmm.
media? Media is nothing but the representative of the people democracy. That says strongly by the Indian Constitution.
Right. Very
Media
true.
is nothing but the representative of the people democracy, not representative of the political democracy. But completely right
That
now
is true.
we are looking only people political democracy, right?
Very true.
Yeah. So that's why failure that is completely failed journalism in India.
Hmm.
So that's why according to UNESCO, we strongly warn to our India.
Okay.
United Nations strongly warned to India. So because of why journalism died in India, due to reason behind that, the reason that the only each state of politics.
Yes.
That's why the politicians their powers use on people injustice.
Yes.
That's why the power, the who is the MLAs or MPs or any executive levels and judicial levels and any levels of the Indian officials, they focused on completely power itself, not usage for the public and citizenship and all those things, remaining any issues.
Hmm.
So these are the problems of in India, especially the broadcasting is not good at a time, but they are only commercially they're talking. Say example, what is the real meaning of news broadcasting means they deals with the debates, discussions, interviews, and also news coverage, and also breaking news and emergencies, current affairs, everything they will be every day they have been representing presentation in front of the audience, right?
Right.
But what happened? So there is no development. Say example, already before you told, yes, performer. Every human being will become a performer. Then that time we can development of any initiatives, right?
Hmm.
Without performer, how we can develop? That's why, say example, so why India has not yet developed poverty line? So why India has not yet after 75 independency and not yet the GDP will be grow? These are the this is the fake performers of in India.
Right.
Everyone is a fake performer. Who is the real performer of Indian development, national development, or local development, or district development, or local development, whatever the development? Who is the real stick performer of any activities from the public?
Hmm.
Yeah, these are the values of the at current civic life and also citizenship and also even public and government and all whatever it may be, even all everything private sectors and governments and SMEs and everything is not perfectly perfectly on objective base, only commercial base.
Very true.
Not in case once you also I also then we'll go for commercially, then we cannot satisfied our self soul, and also our we cannot satisfied with the development because of already we know what we choose any task, whether it is develop or not, because of only we are looking for commercial, then that time the development is died.
Hmm. Right.
Yeah, first we will go for the development, then automatically it will be grow money.
That is true.
Yeah. So because of say example, I will tell let explain. I will one simple example, sir. Say example, if you will go for a small social class, middle lower level family, one small household and
Hmm.
attached house at your nearby local place, then you
Right.
reach to you go to their home small labor very poor line. One student available in that home as he has completed 10th class or intermediate or degree. Say example, one below poverty line student, right?
Right.
If you can performer, if you can expert, if you have skills, if you have knowledge, you are the wisdom leader, then you can change to that household.
Yeah. True.
Socially, economically, or demographically, then you can change from that person has completed degree, then say if you are skills, then you can rethink, reshape, and rebuild their personality, that person will become a developing level. Automatically, that total their family will be grow as a socio and economic or demographically well
Yeah,
by your
that's true.
hands only, by your hands, because of you are the good performer.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, that's why then you can do according to so demography segment. Then you will be focused on the target and the market and positioning on local journalism, and also local media, and also local learning and local education, local literacy. Then it will be improved. Then automatically it will be grow rural economic development. Then once it will be local rural economic development will be grow automatically. Then will be grow for urban also.
Hmm.
These are the segments, but one thing but at current status of the nation, then we forget localism, local journalism.
Hmm.
We forget local people.
Right.
We don't think about the local literacy.
That,
We don't think about the local
yeah,
socio-economic development.
that is true.
Yeah, no one can
Let's start
support
the
to them. Yeah,
video.
yeah, no one can support to them, sir.
Hmm.
No one can then no one cannot support to them, sir.
Right.
Yeah, that's why what is the problem in the sense? The problem is no, there is no activist towards the social economic to social poor people literacy. There is no literacy of the metrics. There is no literacy of
Right.
who is the metrics of the people life.
Right.
No one cannot calculate it about these poor lives.
Very true.
So that's why how what is the use of our lifespan, our lifespan? So because of there is no satisfied. Oh, say example, some people are there suffering with financially in poor life, poor attached houses.
Right.
So then can you help? No, because just you can you suggest, there is no use. Can just you can suggest and train, there is no use. Just suggestion is one.
Hmm.
There is no they thirst and hunger and their pains. Then who is care of each human being life? That is the real development of the performer.
Hmm.
So these are the challenges at present current local people and local journalism, and also local economic development, local literacy, local job levels, local unemployment, and especially my way of Buddha TV focus on that. Buddha TV media broadcasting, the focus on that complete is the local journalism from pin to pin, so area to area, house to house. So then we'll go for each house has one Buddha TV is connected, and also as well as one house, then one house we can provide one job opportunity to every household.
Right.
That is the initiative, that is the initiative of my our Buddha TV broadcast and media school, that can be help you with the what is the main objective is the what is the main objective is only for one house has one poor lives. There are father and mother and son. Say example, we can provide job opportunity to that poor household person, their son, and also TV available. That is the objective of
Hmm.
Buddha TV.
Right.
That then that time what will happen, then employment will be grow, as well as real true literacy, true information from our TV channel.
Hmm.
So both will go for that sustainable relationship with the local development, rural development, and also locally, so socio-economically, and socio and educatedly, literacy, technology, and everything. Then we can provide to the local target peoples, civilization, civic life. They will be. Say example, and another point is, sir. So what is the problem? Say example, if you are a collector. Say example, if you are as a collector, right?
Hmm.
Example, you are the collector, I am layman, I don't have any knowledge, I lack of awareness on it, any parameter, all public spare. So how I talk to you right way? How can I solve my problems in front of you? As a you are as a collector, I am also zero literacy. but I'm a human being as a local people. I don't have any idea. Then how can I
Right.
develop my family?
Okay.
That's why then we will go for, then first we go for their problems. We listen their problems, we identify the problems, then we can train them, develop them, speak them. Then automatically they will be get ready to right human being to talk right expressions in front of the our Indian constitution, to any one of the four estates of four pillars of the Indian constitution.
Right. Very
That
true.
is the key objective of development. Just my idealism, sir. Then please,
Mhm.
in future, we also will support to me. Then we all together to develop something. We are also looking for the better way for that, because of our Buddha broadcast. Everything, all the details I will be sent to you, sir. So regarding our vision and mission and objectives and our way of service model, and also what
Definitely.
about our expectations and everything, I will be sent to you, sir. Just once you read it and understanding, then after that, then what we reflect for the future development and everything will be sustained with. Already I know BNI, so we have to plan for that, join an BNI for in future. Already we collaborated with the Kolkata FMCHR Solutions as a HR company. You know, sir, FMCHR Solution.
Mhm. Yeah, I'm not aware.
Yeah, so that way we have to plan for BNA joining membership so soon. Then you can support to me, sir. Definitely will be join BNI sub BNI.
Mm. So tell me one thing. How old is the company, Buddha TV Broadcast?
Sir.
When did you start this company?
Yeah, since 2020, actually 2021.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
what is the
No,
what is
actually, since 2021 incorporation private limited company. Then before we had ran as a sole proprietorship company.
okay?
Yeah, now we are looking for, so what is our, now we are looking for already 13 districts. There are only the AP Andhra Pradesh now. Will do focus on that only, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Hyderabad.
Okay.
Our turnover approximately our cash flows, maybe approximately, in case if I set up 13 districts of office, what each office had cost to 15 lakhs.
Oh, okay.
Office means news and production purpose, operation purpose, input and process or output to based on that is what we call office cost.
Okay.
All the infra, then we will get per month 2.5 crores per month.
Okay.
That is the revenue model. Based on that, all the districts will be appointment one. Each district has one district in charge.
Okay.
So because of actual, you see only say example, because of why we set up office is mandatory, because of 24 by 7 and 365 days sustainable service to the citizens and government, and also other corporates.
Right.
So because of we will be set up for, so 15 lakhs rupees cost for each district. Then we can work with governments and publics and corporates.
Okay.
24 by 7 and 365 days, so we available all the times available for the service.
Okay.
Like all 13 districts also in Andhra Pradesh, there are mainly 13 districts. Same 13 districts, our Buddha TV office available.
Okay.
Then that time, then we can provide all the services. There are mainly 50, what we have been seeing top India, all India top TV channel services. Then we also provide services, example business journalism, political journalism, and also corporate journalism, and also sports journalism, and also other civic life and socio cohesions and socio development journalism. These are the top priorities of the service render.
Fine. So currently, do we have what do we broadcast? We typically use the YouTube for broadcasting now?
No, YouTube actually the social presence. Then we will start before 1 month or 2 months back. We will started our YouTube social presence by using YouTube. Okay, YouTube available, Facebook available, and Twitter available, and Instagram available. All social presence is right now currently started before 2 months.
Okay.
The so digital
And
marketing also, right.
okay.
That's why we'll go for that.
So what?
Yeah,
So
we are
what is
looking
it?
for media.
What
Yeah.
is it? What is it that you broadcast now?
What, sir?
What do you broadcast now?
Yeah. So broadcast now. Then generally, generally common current affairs, current issues, breaking news, and news bulletins. So and also debates and interviews and discussions. These are all currently has been running.
So you broadcast this. Where do you broadcast all this?
Sir.
Do we have a channel?
Yeah, yes, sir. I have a channel, digital live streaming. Our channel is completely live streaming, like news NDTV, like TV9. You know TV9?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
like that same services. We are also same like that with TV9 services, not YouTube
So,
services.
so your channel is we can say it is a web-based channel. It available on the internet.
Sir, sorry.
Your channel. If I want to see your channel, where can I see it?
Yeah, yeah, okay. Then website you see under website, and also apps app down app is available, Play Store available, and also the website is available, and also live streaming also available.
Okay. I
YouTube
just send you
YouTube
a hi on
YouTube
WhatsApp.
YouTube available.
Okay. I just send you a hi on WhatsApp.
Yeah, sure, sir. Definitely, sir. Sir, one thing, sir. I will talk to you personally. So then, first I will be send. I will send you all the details. So then, after session, my session will be clear. So then I will be discuss clearly. Everything is pin to pin later, sir. Okay.
That's fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you so very much. It's my pleasure
Welcome.
today. So welcome to you, sir. Very so I introduced myself, and also I know about you. You are very I think your way of experience milestones and everything is very passionate. You are look like as a completely the passionate on business mind. So you are the businessman.
Hmm.
Especially this my good luck today. So thank you so much, sir. Nice meeting
Yeah.
you, and well glad to meet you, sir.
Yeah.
Soon for your sustainable
Good.
relation with you for all the times. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.